This has been easier than I thought. 4 9/16 inch bolts, and tap a little bit with a cold chisel to split it, but here it comes. And there's the oil seal, I think. There's the bearings that all this holds in, but it's yet to be. I'll have to tear it on down to clean up and see what I got here. Lay it down here. It's rough getting old. It ain't for weenies. But yeah, there's the oil seal. This is the oil seal I'm going to replace. Some say, well, it don't look too bad. Well, it was leaking a little bit, and as my youngest son Nick said, Dad, as long as you're going in this far, go ahead and replace the oil seals. So that's what we're doing. And I've got to get this oil seal out, which is for the brakes. Right here, because these have been leaking a good bit. So got it cleaned up pretty good right there. It's just some more gritty, grimy work to be done. And right here there's an oil seal to be pulled. I got to take this brake rod out, which is a combination brake rod, clutch rod, allowing you to have control from both sides. But that is where I find myself right now. And some have said I'm real good at tearing things apart, just not sure how good I am at putting it back together. So if you look around, you see there's parts everywhere that need to be reworked. So anyway, I've said enough. Have a good day. Okay, this is the grease seal off of the rear axle shaft. I find it interesting that part of this is that you don't know whether it's unintentional or not. It's missing on the bottom side. There is the ring, I believe, where a felt seal should go. I don't have a felt seal or a felt washer, so guess what? I don't think it's going to get back in there. But I was able to drive out the seal from the back side. Somebody evidently had forethought to either cut some grooves or leave some grooves in this piece of housing here, which enabled me to get a chisel behind it and drive it out. Otherwise, I don't think it would come out very easily. One down, one to go.